It has the height of femur, and his school had not yet opened, and having as yet made on friends in this Sims Hilly station, he wandered about a good deal by himself into the hills and forests that sca- stretched away, interminable on all sides of the town. It was hot, very hot at that time of the year, and Ranjit walked about in his visit and sought his brown field white with the chalky dust that flew up from the ground. The earth was purged, the grasses brown, the trees listless, hardly stirring, waiting for a cool wind or a refreshing shower of rain. It was on such a day, a hot, dry day, that Ranjit found the pool in the forest. The water had a gently transparency, and you could see the smooth, round pebbles at the bottom of the pool. A small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks to feed the pool. During the monsoon, this stream would be a gusting sorry, torrent, cascading down from the hills about during the summer. It was really a trickle. The rock, however, held the water in the pool and it did not dry up like the pools in the plains. When
अच्छा,
Ranjit
तो
saw
गर्मियों स्टॉप।
yes, sir.
यस। सो गर्मी की छुट्टियां थी, रज्जी कहाँ गया था छुट्टियां सेलिब्रेट करने अपनी? किस जगह पर गया था?
राजपुर में। मैम राजपुर में।
कौन बता रहा है?
मैम राजपुर।
मैम हम।
लगाता है और अंदर स्विम करता है, उसको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, उसको ठंडा फील होता है, कूल फील होता है। देन ही डिसाइडेड कि वो डेली यहाँ पर आया करेगा, क्या करने के लिए? स्विम करने के लिए। फिर नेक्स्ट पढ़िए, आगे पढ़िए। कौन पढ़ रहा है?
मैम हम पढ़े। मैम हमें स्टार्ट करें?
बिल्कुल, स्टार्ट करो।
The rock, however, held the water in the pool, and it did not dry up like the pools in the plain. When Ranjit saw the pool, he did not hesitate to get into it. He had often gone swimming alone or with friends when he had lived with his parents in the 30s towns in the middle of the Rajputna desert. There he had known only strictly middle poles where buffaloes,
Buffaloes.
walrus, and women waist clothes. He had never seen a pole like this, so clean and cool and inviting. He leaped into the water. His limbs were supplied free of any fat, and his dark body glistened in patches of sunlit water. The next day he came again to pitch his body in the cool water of the forest pool. He was
Water.
there for yes, ma'am. Waters of
Or
the forest pool. He was there was almost an hour sliding in and out of the limpid green water or lying stretcher
in and out.
out on yes ma'am out out of out on the smooth yellow rock in the
Limpid
shade
green water.
limpid green water or lying spread out of the smooth yellow rock in the shade of border-leaved cell tree. It was while he lay thus that he noticed another boy standing a little distant away, starting at him in the rather hostile manner. The other boy was a little older than Ranjit, taller, thick-set, with a broad nose and thick red lips. He had only just noticed Ranjit, and when Ranjit did not say anything, the other called out, "What are you doing here, master?" Ranjit, how was prepared to the friendly, was taken aback at the hostility of the other's tone. "I am swimming," he repeated. "Why did not you join me?" "I also swim alone," said the other. "This is my pole. I did not invite you here." The stranger strode up to Ranjit, who still sat on the rock
हाँ,
and
तो स्टॉप। सो जब वहां
yes,
पर वो एंजॉय करता है रणजी, तो तभी आराम से वो एक रॉक पर लेट जाता है, बिल्कुल आराम से लेट जाता है। पेड़ के जस्ट बगल में एक रॉक होता है। अचानक से उसको दिखता है कि एक लड़का जो है वहां पर खड़ा है और उसे स्टेयर कर रहा है, घूर रहा है। तब वो बाद में उस लड़के से पूछता है क्या हुआ, तो वो उसको बोलता है कि तुम कौन हो और यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, ये मेरा पूल है, मैं तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं आने दूंगा। तो रंजीत पहले तो थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन को संभालने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन जो बॉय रहता है वो अपने आप को क्या बताता है, वॉरियर बताता है। तो वो कहता है कि और देखने में भी वो काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग लग रहा था, तो रणजी को थोड़ा सा लगा कि हाँ हो सकता है वो इससे टक्कर ना ले पाए, लेकिन फिर भी रणजी उससे अच्छे से डील कर रहा था। चलो आगे, द रॉक एंड अब कौन पढ़ेगा, कोई और पढ़े? साक्षी,
हम पढ़े।
प्रयास पढ़िए।
The
द
rock
रॉक
and pla- the rock and planting his both feet firmly on the sand said, "Through this would settle the matter once and for all. Don't you know I am a warrior? I do not take reply from villagers like you. So you like to fight with villagers," said Ranji. "Well, I am not a villager. I am a fighter. I am a warrior. I am a fighter." They had reached an impasse. One had said he was a warrior. The other had proclaimed himself a fighter. There was little else that could be said. "You understand that I am a warrior," said the strange, feeling that perhaps this information had not penetrated Ranji's head. "I have heard you say it 3 times," replied Ranji. "Then why are you not running away? I am waiting for you to run away." "I will have to beat you," said the stranger, assuming a violent attitude, showing Ranji the palm of his hand. "I am waiting to see you do it," said Ranji. "You will see me to do it," said the other boy. Ranji waited. The other boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eye for almost a minute. Then the warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all the force he could muster. Ranji, Ranji staggered, feeling quite dizzy. There were thick red finger marks on his cheek. "There you are!" exclaimed his assailant. "Will you be off now?" For answer, Ranji swung his arm up and pushed a hard bony fist into the other's face. And then they were at each other's throats, swinging on the rock, tumbling on the sand, rolling over and over, their legs and arms locked in a desperate, violent struggle. Gasping and cursing, clawing and slapping, they rolled into the shallows of the pool. Even in the water, the fight continued as spluttering and covered with mud. They groped for each other's head and throat. But after 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle, neither boy had emerged victorious. Their bodies heaving with exhaustion, they stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. Now, do you realize I am a warrior?" gasped the stranger. Do you know I am a fighter?" said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment consideration to, to each other's answer, and in the moment of silence there was only their heavy breathing and the rapid beating of their hearts. "Then you will not leave the pool," said the warrior. "I will not leave it," said Ranji. "Then we shall have to continue the fight," said the other. "All right," said Ranji. But neither boy moved, neither took the initiative. The warrior had an inspiration. "We will continue the fight," he said. "If you are dare to come here again tomorrow, we will continue this fight, and I will not show you mercy as I done today." "I will come tomorrow," said Ranji. "I will be ready for you." They turned from each other then, and going to be respective rocks, put on their clothes and left the forest by different routes.
यस। सो अब जब वो स्ट्रेंजर आता है और वो रंजी को चैलेंज करता है, तो रंजी भी अपने आप को फाइटर बताता है और दोनों फाइट को स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। सबसे पहले स्ट्रेंजर जो है, वॉरियर, वो रंजी को एक थप्पड़ से स्टार्ट करता है फाइट। उसके बाद रंजी भी उसको एक मुक्का बनाकर मारता है। उसके बाद ये लोग काफी सारी फाइट स्टार्ट कर देते हैं एक दूसरे को, कभी वो मिट्टी में, कभी एक दूसरे के ऊपर। बाद में ये लोग दोनों एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा थक जाते हैं। उसके बाद ये लोग घर वापस जाते हैं। रंजीत थोड़ा सा टेंशन में है कि घर जाकर वो क्या बताएगा, ये जो ब्रूजेस हैं और ये जो निशान है। लेकिन फिर भी ये लोग कल अगले दिन फिर से ये लोग एक दूसरे को चैलेंज करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि इस झील के लिए, इस स्ट्रीम के लिए ये लोग फिर से फाइट करेंगे। चलो, नाउ हु इज गोइंग टू रीड नेक्स्ट? बच्चों सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करिए रीड करने में, इससे आपका ही रिवाइज होगा। नेक्स्ट आपको एग्जाम में यही चैप्टर, ऐसे ही दोनों चैप्टर आएंगे। साक्षी, रुद्राक्ष, शोभित,
Yes, ma'am.
रुद्राक्ष, चलो नाउ यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
Yes, ma'am. When Ranji got home, he found it difficult to explain the cuts and bruises that showed on his face, legs, and arms. It was difficult to
कंसील,
conceal the fact that he had been in an unusually violent fight, and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. That evening, through though he slipped out of the house and went to the bazaar, where he found comfort and solace in the bottle, vividly colored lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot, sweet jalebis. He had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary
एडवर्सरी,
coming down the road. His first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere, his second to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. But he did neither of these things. Instead, he stood his ground and scowled at his passing adversary. And the warrior said nothing either, but scowled back with equal ferocity. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. His body was stiff and sore after the previous day's encounter, but he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement to defeat from the way he felt. Just then he knew he would be beaten in another fight, but he could not excuse in the own defeat. He must defy his enemy to the last, or outwit him, for only then could he gain his respect. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time. But to fight and be beaten today left him free to fight and be beaten again. As long as he fought, he had a right to the pool in the forest. He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on the rock on the other side of the pool. The warrior was rubbing oil on his body. He saw Ranji beneath the sal trees and called a challenge across the waters of the pool. "Come over on this side and fight," he shouted. But Ranji was not going to submit any conditions laid down by his opponent. "Come this side and fight," he shouted back with equal vigor. "Swim across and fight me here," called the other. "Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool." But Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring, and here he would show the warrior his superiority. So, slipping out of his vest, he dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife, and surfaced with hardly a splash. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. "You can dive," he exclaimed. "It is easy," said Ranji.
चलो नाउ
Treading
स्टॉप।
water.
तो नेक्स्ट, ओके रुद्राक्ष नाउ स्टॉप। सो
Yes,
उस दिन वो फिर रणजी जो था वो फाइट अपने घर गया तो घर में बड़ा उसको डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था अपने कट्स और मार्क्स छुपाना, ब्रूजेस जो थे, ब्लू निशान जो थे। लेकिन फिर उसके बाद वो किसी तरह से मैनेज करके शाम को वो जाता है बाजार में, मार्केट में कुछ खाने, और लेमनेड पीता है, जलेबियां खाता है। तभी वो दुकान पर जब बैठा होता है तभी वो अपने ओपोनेंट को आते हुए देखता है, वॉरियर को आते हुए देखता है। तो वो थोड़ा सा डरता है, फिर सोचता है कि वो उसको फाइट बैक करेगा। तो जब उसकी तरफ देखता है वो वॉरियर, तो वो भी घूरता है, दोनों एक दूसरे को चैलेंज देते हैं, स्टेयर करते हैं। उसके बाद अगले दिन रंजी बहुत ज्यादा सस्पेंस में सोच रहा है कि मैं फाइट करने के लिए जाऊं या नहीं जाऊं झील पर। वो थोड़ा सा डर भी रहा है, फिर भी वो सोचता है चलो जाता हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने उसको चैलेंज तो कर ही दिया है। हो सकता है अगले दिन वो वहां हो ही ना वॉरियर, और फाइट को भूल गया हो। लेकिन जैसे ही वो वहां पर पहुंचता है उस लोकेशन पर, वो देखकर समझ जाता है कि जो फाइट वॉरियर है वो पूरी तरह से फाइट के मूड में है, क्योंकि वो अपने बॉडी को रब कर रहा है ऑयल से, तैयार हो रहा है फाइट के लिए। अब वो रणजी को चैलेंज करता है कि रणजी उस तरफ है, झील के उस तरफ है, और जो वॉरियर है वो दूसरे साइड है। तो वो कहता है रणजी को कि मेरे तरफ आओ। तो वो कहता है स्विम करके आओ। तो रणजी कहता है नहीं, मैं क्यों आऊं, तुम आओ, तुम हम दोनों का चैलेंज है, तो तुम आओ मेरी तरफ, हम यहाँ फाइट करेंगे। तो जो वॉरियर है वो रणजी को चैलेंज देता है और उसका मजाक उड़ाता है कि तुम स्विम कर ही नहीं सकते, तुम आ ही नहीं सकते। तो रणजी को ये बात थोड़ी सी खराब लगती है, और वो फिर तुरंत स्विम करके आता है बहुत तेजी से, क्योंकि उसने बहुत टाइम इस तरह से स्विम किया है, प्रैक्टिस किया है। तो बिना थके हुए वो वहां पर आ जाता है, और ये देखकर जो वॉरियर है वो बड़ा ही सरप्राइज हो जाता है, और वो उससे पूछता है कि तुमने ये कैसे किया, इतना अच्छा स्विम तुमने कैसे किया। चलो, अब कौन नेक्स्ट पढ़ेगा? इट इज इजी से, पेज नंबर 51 पे, इट इज इजी सेड रंजी ट्रेडिंग वाटर। हु इज गोइंग टू रीड?
मैम हम पढ़े।
शोभित। हाँ, राधिका पढ़िए।
It is easy, said Ranjit. Stand on the rock, stretch your arms out and allow your head to displace your feet. The warrior stood up stiff and stretched out his arms and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. Ranjit dissolved into leather. Yes, ma'am, like that.
हाँ,
Are
आगे।
you are
लाफ्टर।
you trying
आगे।
to empty the pool? He asked as the warrior come to the surface, soft, spouting water like a small whale. Was not it good? Asked the boy, wielding proud of his feet. Not
गुड।
very good, said Ranjit. You should have more practice and pulling himself. Good again. And pulling himself up on a rock.
प्रैक्टिस, सी आई विल डू इट।
Yes, sir, see, I will do it again.
एग्जीक्यूटेड।
Yes, ma'am. And pulling himself up on a rock, he executed another perfect divot. The other boy waited for him to come up. About swimming under water, Ranjit circled him and come upon him from behind. How did you do that? Asked the astonished youth. Cannot you swim underwater? Asked Ranjit. No, but I will try it. The warrior made a tremendous effect to plug to the bottom of the pool and indeed he thought he had gone right down through his bottom like a duck remaining above surface. Ranjit, however, did not discourage him. It was not bad. He said about you need a lot of practice. Will you teach me? Asked his enemy. If you like, I will teach you. You must teach me. If you do not teach me, I will beat you. You will you come here every day and teach me? If you like, said Ranjit. They had pulled themselves out of the water and her sitting side, side by side on a smooth grass rock. My name is Suraj, said the warrior. What is your? It is Ranjit. I am strong, I am not, asked Suraj, building in arms so that a balls of muscles stood up, stretching
Am I
the
not? Asked Suraj.
मैम पढ़ लिए वाली लाइन
चलो ठीक है. So जब ये लोग फाइट करने के लिए आते हैं, रंजी स्विम करके पहुंच जाता है वॉरियर के पास. वॉरियर ये सब देखकर बड़ा ही सरप्राइज होता है. वो बोलता है कि तुमने ये कैसे किया. तो रंजी उसको बताता है इट्स वेरी इजी. तो कहता है क्या तुम मुझे सिखाओगे. और कहता है क्या तुम मुझे सिखा दोगे. रंजी कहता है अगर आते हो मैं सिखा. जी उसको सिखाने का प्रोसेस है. ये बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट दे रहा है. तो वो उसको प्रणाम करता है कि मेरा नाम सूरज है. सॉरी वॉरियर के अलावा मेरा नाम सूरज है. और दोनों की अब फ्रेंडशिप धीरे धीरे बढ़ गई है. चलो रीड कर लो इसको. साक्षी, राधिका, आयास, गौरव ने काफी रीड किया. रुद्राक्ष ने भी. नाउ यू हैव टू रीड इट. शोभित.
मैम
यस. आयास.
यस मैम.
ओके.
I am strong. Am I not? Asked
चलो
Suraj,
लेट्स
bending
स्टार्ट.
his arm so that a ball of muscles stood up, stretching the white of his flesh. You are strong, said Ranji. You are a real Palwan. One day I will be the world's champion wrestler, said Suraj, slapping his thighs, which shook with the impact of his head. He looked critically at Ranji's hard, thin body. You are quite strong yourself, he considered. But you are too bony. I know you people do not eat enough. You must come and have your food with me. I drink 1 share of milk every day. We here we have got our own cow. Be my friend, and I will make you a pelwan like me. I know if you teach me to dive and swim underwater, I will make you a pelwan. That is fair, isn't it? It that is fair, said Ranji. So he adopted is he getting the better of the exchange. Suraj put his arm around the youngster boy and said, we are friends now. Yes, they looked at each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and in that moment, love and understanding were born. We are friends, said Ranji. The birds had settled again in the branches, and the pool was quiet and limpid in the shade of the salt trees. It is our pool, said Suraj. Nobody else can come here without our permission. Who would dare? Who would dare? Said Ranji, smiling with the knowledge that he had won the day.
ओके, सो गुड आयास। सो ये दोनों फिर एक दूसरे को प्रॉमिस करते हैं। वॉरियर कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें पहलवान बनाऊंगा, तुम्हारी बॉडी स्ट्रांग है लेकिन तुम काफी बूनी हो, तुम ठीक से खाना नहीं खाते हो, तो चलो तुम मेरे साथ आज से खाना खाना, मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा कैसे पहलवान बनना है, और तुम मुझे सिखाना इतनी अच्छी स्विमिंग तुम कैसे करते हो। तो क्या ये ऑफर अच्छा है? तो रंजीत थोड़ा सा डाउट करता है लेकिन कहता है हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ये ऑफर सही है, हम दोनों ऐसा करेंगे। तो फिर दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है और दोनों एक दूसरे को अपना अपना टैलेंट सिखाने के लिए मान जाते हैं। सो ये आपका चैप्टर यहीं से एंड हो गया है, एंड टुमारो we will do the exercises of this chapter. So you have to learn the exercises. I will ask you some questions about it and you have to answer it. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ताकि चैप्टर है ये हमारा अच्छे से रेडी हो जाएगा, फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट द ओपन विंडो भी रिवाइज कर लेंगे, खत्म कर लेंगे जल्दी से, ताकि यू विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर एग्जाम्स। चलो,
मैम यूनिट में दो कराएंगे।
हाँ 6 और 7, और ग्रामर
ओके
पोर्शन
मैम।
में आपकी ब्राविया वाली जो बुक है ना, उससे आपका पैसेज आएगा और लेटर आएगा, जितनी भी राइटिंग पोर्शन है वो ऑप्शन में आएगा, लेकिन दो दो आएगा। और एज आई टोल्ड यू
मैम
अर्लियर कि आप लोगों को कम से कम, हाँ
मैम बुक तो
बता,
मिली नहीं है वो वाली किसी को, सिर्फ शिवम के पास है।
हाँ बुक तो नहीं मिली है, थोड़ा सा मैनेज करना पड़ेगा अभी के लिए, बुक की तो प्रॉब्लम है ये तो पता है, थोड़ा सा मैनेज कर लीजिए किसी तरह से, नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर आप लोग स्कूल में बुक लेने की कोशिश करिएगा पूरी तरह से, ताकि नेक्स्ट वाला आपका ऐसा ना हो। या फिर जिसके पास बुक है उसके पास जाके एक बार देख लो।
मैम जो आपने
यस
ग्रामर में,
हाँ
उसमें से
ग्रामर भी उसी में से आएगा, जो आपके एक्टिव पैसिव है, टेंसेस है, मॉडल है, इसी में से थोड़ा बहुत ग्रामर आएगा, ज्यादा नहीं, एक्सरसाइजेज आएंगी कुछ।
मैम आप टॉपिक बता दीजिएगा ग्रामर में, उस हिसाब से लर्न कर लेंगे।
चलो ठीक है, कल कल देखते हैं, कल बुक लाएंगे ग्रामर वाली, ठीक है?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
चलो, so that is it for today. Thank you all. Bye bye.
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू
Bye,
मैम।
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय मैम।